Today's topic is rational number. Rational numbers. Okay. From today, I will give the video according to exercise. First, I discuss about the concept of that related to that exercise. After that, I will given the homework. Okay. So, in first day, we already solved exercise 1A. Okay. So today exercise 1B. So concept based on exercise 1B is operation on rational numbers. Okay, operation on rational numbers. In exercise 1B, there are only two operations, plus and minus. Multiplication and division is given in another exercise. Okay, so addition, we all are familiar with the operation addition and subtraction in case of rational number also, because rational number operation are same as the fractional number. So I will explain the this two operation by taking an example. Okay, so take here 7 by 12 plus 9 by 16. Okay, for plus and minus similar. If the symbol is subtraction, then in place of plus we write here minus. So how to find the sum? Okay, how to find the sum of two rational number? It may be minus 9 by 16. Then first we remove the bracket. Okay, if plus then no problem. If here minus then okay, I will discuss with this question also. So 7 by 12, so plus minus minus, or you can okay write here minus 9 by 16. So first step is, first we find the LCM of 12 and 16. So what is the LCM of 12 and 16? So divisible by 4, 3, 4. So 12 4 ja 48. So in denominator we write 48. Okay, next step is divide the LCM. So first we find the LCM of the denominator. So first LCM of denominator. LCM of denominator. Next step, divide the LCM by denominator. Okay, divide this LCM by denominator. That means this denominator. So if we divide 48 by 12, then the result is 4. So the second step is divide the LCM and by denominator and multiply the result with numerator. So what is the result here, or what is the value here? First we divide the LCM by denominator, so 4, result is 4, and result multiplied with numerator. So 4 7 is 28 minus. Similar for this rational number, first we divide 48 with this denominator. So if we divide 48 this denominator, then result is so 48 divided by 16 equal to 3. So result is 3 and multiplied with the numerator. So numerator 9, 9 3 is 27. So what is the result? 1 by 48. Okay. If a symbol is plus, so in place of minus we write plus. Okay. So it is very easy. Next thing. Next thing is properties. Properties. Okay. Addition, subtraction. Okay. So first property is commutative property. First property is commutative property. Okay, commutative property. What is the commutative property? Commutative property, that means if we change the value, change the position of the value with addition, then result is also same. If result is same, then we called addition is commutative. For example, if we take any two rational number, 7 by 9 plus 5 by 9. Okay. So if we add them, then what is the result? Here 9 denominator same, and when denominator same, no need to find the LCM because LCM is 9. We simply write 9 and add 7 and 5. Okay, because if we divide 9 by 9, then 1, and if we multiply 1 with 7, then result is 7. So what is the value? 12 by 9. Now if we change the position of the value, then what is the result? 7 by 9. So it becomes 9, 5 plus 7. So 12 by 9. So in case of addition, if we change the position of the value, after that result is same. So what is and it is the commutative property. So we can say that rational number are commutative in addition, or addition is commutative on rational number. Okay, simply we write a plus b equal to b plus a. If this hold, then we called ab any rational number. So it is commutative. Now subtraction is commutative or not? If we take minus here, then what is the value? 2 by 9. If we change the place of the value, then what is the result? Minus 2 by 9. Then if we change the place of the value, then the result are not equal. So subtraction is not commutative in on rational number. So it is not commutative. In general, a minus b not equal to b minus a. Okay. Not equal to b minus a. So subtraction is not commutative on rational number. Next property is, so it is, what is the property? You memorize in this way. If we change the position of the value, then also the result is equal. If equal, then commutative property or commutative law holds. If not equal, then commutative property does not hold. Okay. 2 number property. associative property. So what is associative property? Associative property, that means we take any three number from rational number, because all property defined in rational number. So A, B, C, any value we taken here from rational number. So if we take any three value A, B, C from rational number and add them, first we take the bracket in first two number, and after A plus B plus C, and second time here position of bracket is changed. Okay, so first we take the bracket in first two number, and second time we take the bracket in last two number. If the value is equal, then we say that associative property hold in rational number with respect to addition. Okay, so it is clear, if we change the bracket in case of addition, then it is always hold. So in rational number with respect to addition, associative property always hold. But in case of subtraction, is it equal? A minus B minus C, A minus B minus C, is it equal? No, it is not equal. So not equal. So associative property also does not hold on rational number with respect to subtraction. For example, 2, 3, 4. These are the also rational number, because we can write in the form P by Q, 2 by 1, 3 by 1, 4 by 1. Okay. For easier calculation, I take 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 2 minus 3 minus 4. First we take bracket here. So what is the value? Minus 1 minus 4. So it becomes minus 5. And if we take the bracket in last two numbers, then what is the value? 2 minus 1. 2 minus minus 1 plus 1. So 3. So value does not equal. That means associative property does not hold in subtraction. Oh, I forgot to tell one property. Closure property. Closure property. Closure property. I already discussed in first video what is closure property. If we take any two number from rational number and add them, then the result again a rational number, then we call addition is closure on rational number. So if we take any two rational number belongs to Q, that means rational number, and if the result again a rational number, then we say that addition is closure on rational number. Okay, and it is obvious. If we take any two rational number, for example, if we take 1 by 5 plus 2 by 7 or 2 by 5, then it is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is again a rational number, so it is closure. So in rational number, closure property also hold in with respect to addition. With respect to subtraction, 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5, what is the value? Minus 1 by 5. So in case of subtraction, the result also a rational number. So if we take a minus b from whole number, then a comma b whole number, then it is also not whole number. Whole number also this property hold in whole number, but we take here from rational number, then it implies a minus b also a rational number, so it is also closure. So closure property hold. Okay, next thing is okay, I rough this. Next thing is property of zero, ZERO, or additive identity. So what is the property of zero? If we add 0 with any number, then the result is the number. It is also hold for rational number. So if a is any number from Q, it implies a plus 0 equal to 0 plus a equal to a. So this 0 is called additive inverse, additive identity. Identity, that means if we add the identity with any value, then the result is the value, is equal to the value. Then that element or that value is called identity. If it is with respect to addition, then it is called additive identity. If the value is equal with respect to multiplication, then it is called multiplicative identity. So what is the multiplicative identity? What is the value we put here such that a into this value equal to 1? So 1 is additive identity, 1 is multiplicative identity. We will discuss later about multiplication. Okay, today only addition and subtraction. So in case of subtraction, is it hold the property? No, because a minus 0 equal to 0, but 0 minus a does not equal to a. Okay, it is equal to a, but 0 minus a does not equal to a. Here also does not. Okay, so subtraction has no identity element. Okay, but a minus 0 equal to a, so 0 is called left identity, left or right identity. Okay, right identity. Left identity not exist for subtraction. If both left identity and right hand identity is or exist in with respect to an operation, then only we called the identity exist. Otherwise we called left identity or right identity exist. Okay, so it is the properties of 0 or properties of identity. Next, inverse. inverse of an element or additive inverse. Next, additive inverse. Okay, so what is additive inverse? Okay, in general case, inverse, that means A. If we find additive inverse, then symbol is plus with some value equal to additive identity. So what is the additive identity? 0. So here 0. So what is the value here? We put such that the answer is 0. So it is, if we add minus a, then the result is 0. So this element or this value is called inverse of this value. With respect to multiplication, so equal to 1. So which value multiplied or which value we can write here such that the result is 1 by a, because a cut, then the result is 1. And why here 1? Because 1 is multiplicative identity. So 1 value plus operation plus some value equal to identity with respect to that operation, and we get 1. If we get such value here, then this value is called inverse. So in addition also inverse exists, because for any a belong to q, a plus minus a or minus a plus a equal to additive identity. So here also left inverse and right inverse, left inverse both are exist. So we can say that in case of addition or additive inverse exists. And what is the additive inverse of any rational number? That number and that number with opposite symbol. So for example, what is the additive inverse of 5 by 7? So 5 by 7 additive inverse minus 5 by 7. So 5 by 7 is the additive inverse of minus 5 by 7. Okay. Okay, next now I will solve some problem from exercise. So exercise 1b, 1 number, 2 number, 1 and 2 number very easy. So 1 and 2 number homework. Question number 1, 2 homework. 3 number 3. Okay, from 3 we take 3 Roman 4. So what is the question? 4 whole 1 by 5 plus simplify minus 5 1 by 3 by 10 plus 1 whole 1 by 2. Okay. So in fraction we already solved this kind of problem. So we can solve this by 2 methods. First method, by convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, and in another method we expand this value. So mixed fraction, that means what? a whole number and one fractional value. Okay, so it become 21 by 5 plus minus minus 353 by 10 plus 3 by 2. And what is the LCM? Least common multiple 5, 10 and 2. So 10 is the LCM. 5 2s are 10, 42. 10 1s are 10 minus 53. And 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 50. So what is the value? 57 minus 53 by 10. So it become 4 by 10 or 2 by 5. In other way, if mixed fraction is there, then in other way, first we add or subtract the non-fractional value. After that, add the fractional value, because every fraction 4 1 by 5 can be written as 4 plus 1 by 5, because it is mixed fraction, and mixed fraction, that means a whole number and one fractional value. Okay, for checking the result, it is 4 5 is 20 plus 1, so 21 by 5, so same as 21 by 5. So in this way we also solve the problem. So it become equal to how much? First we add or subtract the non-fractional value. So here 4 minus 5, and in third 1 is there, and fractional value 1 by 5. Here already minus 3 by 10 plus 1 by 2. So what is the value here? 415550, and here 10 2 3 plus here 4 3 5 is 5 to the 10. Here 5 2 is 10, so 2 1 is 2. So what is the value? So there are no value. If there is value, okay, I will discuss later. So what is the value? 7 minus 3, 4 by 10. So in this way also the result is 2 by 5. Okay. Now if there is any value like 2 plus 4 by 10, then it is 2 by 5. So the result is 2 whole 2 by 5. Okay. Three number, 4 number also same, very easy. Four number, what is the question? Verify. So how to verify? 4 number, verify that 3 by 2 plus minus 2 by 5 equal to minus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. That means which property? Commutative property. Verified addition follow the commutative property with respect to these two rational numbers. So when we verify something or prove something, prove something. So first we find the value of left side, after that right side. So left hand side, LHS. So left hand side, what is the value? 2 by 3 plus minus 2 by 5. So what is the LCM? 10. 10, 5, 3 is 15. So plus minus minus 2, 2 is 4. So it becomes 11 by 10. So no need to convert into mixed fraction because it is not final result. We have to show that after simplify first value one value is come and it is equal to the value of right side. So right hand side minus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. So what is the value? 10 minus 4 plus 15. It is also 11 by 10. Therefore, left hand side equal to right hand side. Right hand side verified. Okay. Similarly, you can verify for next question also. Associative property. So 3 number remaining, 4 number remaining, 5 number homework. Okay. These 3 are homework. Next thing, find the additive inverse. Additive inverse also very easy. So 6 number also. So additive A number, question number 6. Okay, I take 4 number question. 4 number question. Minus 15 by minus 11. So what is the additive? Additive inverse of minus 11 minus 15 by minus 11 equal to by minus 11. So minus minus cut, so it become minus 15 by 11. Okay. Seven number question, arrange and simplify. It is also very easy. Arrange, that means if denominator are same, then no need to find the LCM, because if denominator are same, then LCM of 2 number is the number, is one of the number. Okay. So I take any number, 5 number. So what is the question number 5? Question number 5 is 4 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 plus minus 11 by 5. So what is the question? Arrange and simplify. So first we arrange which have same denominator. So 4 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus minus 11 by 5. So what is the value? Same denominator. So result 4 minus 2 plus here minus 3 plus minus minus 11 by 5. So what is the value? 2 by 3, and it is minus 8 by 5. Now what is the LCM of 3 and 5? 15 equal to 15. So 15 divided by 3, then result is 5 multiplied by 2, 10, and symbol is minus. 5 3 is 15 multiplied by 8, 24. It becomes minus 14 by 15. It is the result. Eight number, 9 number similar. Verify that, okay, similar. You solve by left hand side, right hand side. Okay. For 8 number question, verify that minus of x plus y equal to minus x minus y. Y. Value of xy is given. Okay. So for 1 number question, for a number question, so value of x equal to 3 by 4, value of y equal to 6 by 7. So left hand side, what is the value of left hand side? Left hand side, the value of left hand side is minus x plus y. So now put the value minus of 3 by 4 plus 6 by 7. So what is the LCM? Minus 28, 7 3 is 21 plus 4 6 is 24. So minus 45 by 28. This is not the final result, so no need to convert into mixed fraction, because in right hand side the value is also 25 by minus 25 by 28. Right hand side what? Minus x minus y. So minus x, that means minus 3 by 4, minus y, that means 6 by 7. So what is the LCM? 28. Similar, minus 21 minus 24. So same sign, that means add, it become minus 45 by 28. So what is left hand side equal to right hand side. So left hand side equal to right hand side, that means x minus y equal to minus x minus y, and verified. Okay. 10 number also very easy, subtraction, similar. Okay. 10 4 number. Subtract minus 5 by 4, 4 by 5 or 4 by 15, minus 4 by 15 from 3 by 10. So what is the question? Subtract this value from this value. So we write this value first. So it equal to 3 by 10 minus 4 by 15. So 3 by 10 plus 4 by 15. So what is the LCM of 10 and 15? 10 and 15. First common multiple 30. So 3, 9, 2, 8. It becomes 30. 17 by 30. Okay, so it becomes 17 by 30. It is the result. So next thing, the sum of two rational number is 15 by 8. 1 is 1 by 8, find the other. So if sum of two number is 10 and 1 is 2, then what is the other value? 10 minus 2. So similarly here we subtract the one value from the sum, then we get the other value. And next thing, what number be subtracted from minus 7 by 8 to get minus 13 by 12. Okay, if you have any kind of confusion with this kind of question, so you let the number is or be x. So ATQ according to the question. So what is the question? What number subtracted from 7 by minus 8? 7 by minus 8. Okay. So 7 by minus 8. So we let the number be x. So if we subtract this x from minus 7 by minus 8, then the result is minus 13 by 12. So minus x equal to minus 13 by 12. Okay. So side change. 7 by minus 8, that means minus 7 by 8. So minus x equal to what? Minus 13 by 12, and minus 7 by 8. If side change, then it becomes plus 7 by 8. Okay. So what is the result? That means minus x equal to bar of 24. Yes, 24. So 2 ja minus 26. 3 ja 21. So what is the value? Minus x equal to minus 5 by 24. So we take here positive x multiplied by minus 1 both sides. It become plus. It become also plus. So what is the value? 5 by 24. Okay. Similar for other. So exercise 1B complete. And everyone must follow the homework. Solve in your homework copy. So what is the homework? Remaining question from exercise 1B. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Today's date is 18 or 19 maybe. 19/05/20.